Alright guys, let's do one quick review of Spectracide Bug Stop Home Barrier. Kills on contact up to 12-month control for cockroaches. Okay, let's do the review. There's no odor, no staining. I agree with that, there's no odor, no staining. I like it because it has a mist function and it has a more of a, as you see, like a little, I want a little bit straighter, but not that straighter. Okay, I got this at Lowe's. It was on sale for like $5. Okay, so I'll link it below the video. You want to pick this up? Does it work? Does it create a barrier to prevent bugs from getting in? No. I had ants on my steps. It was like they made a little hole in my concrete. I had ants, and I sprayed this on, and I thought at least last couple weeks. But that next week, the ants came back. I sprayed the whole steps with the stuff, and ants came back. Versus if I use Tile Star Pro, no ants for a whole month. Some change, ain't longer than that. No ants, nothing. But this stuff, this here, came back within a week. Within that next week, all of them came back. Did it kill them? Yes, it killed them. It did kill them. So this is pretty good for this one. I use it for bug spray. I don't use this for spraying my whole home to keep bugs out. I wouldn't use this for that. I'll use this just to kill bugs inside my home or outside my home. I have like an ant hill, or some spider webs. I'll use it to kill it. I will use this for bug spray only. Okay, I mean, if you use it for bug spray, it's pretty good. It's a big jar, a big jug. It'll last you probably the whole year. I bought this like 3 months ago. I'm not halfway through it. It's a nice amount of here. It'll last me probably the rest of the summer to next year. For $5, you can't beat the price. One's on sale. It was not on sale. I think it's like $10. It's still worth $10. The bug spray, you buy a can of bug spray, I like $4 or $5 for a raid. This here is a jug, and it's a gallon. It's a gallon stuff. It's a gallon. So, yeah. Do I like it? It's okay. While I used it to put a barrier around my home and spread the foundation and my steps, no, I wouldn't, because it won't last that long. It's up to 12 months, and for cockroaches, and cockroaches are hard to kill. Okay, hard to kill. If you wanted to put something down and this with it, yes. If I'm using Star Pro into a 1 gallon sprayer and use 1 ounce of this stuff, I'll mix a little bit of this in it too. Okay? So that'd be a good little mix here. You mix this stuff with this stuff, and you have a stronger mix. I also use Cutter Backyard Control too. I'll show that real quick. You use all three. I'll put up here. You use this too. You use a little bit of this, a little bit of an ounce of this, in the 1 gallon sprayer, and a little bit of this into 1 gallon sprayer, which is right here. And you have a super strong mix, okay? A super strong mix. But this stuff here will do most of the work, okay? A super strong mix that lasts a long time. So, that bottle, Amazon, I think it's like $10. The bug cutter is $10. This pint is $35. So you must spend, $60 for all three. All three will last you a very long time. I have a link below the video if you want to check them out. But this is my go-to three for bug controls. It's not fancy, but a gallon sprayer. I'll link that below the video as well. And that's just my video. Does it work? It kills bugs on contact, but will it keep them out? My opinion, my experience, no. I wouldn't spray this around my house. It may work, but I see that doesn't work. You need something stronger than that, than bug spray. You need something like this that's stronger that would keep them away, okay? If you're tired of paying an exterminator, if you're tired of paying that monthly fee, and they only spray your house, they don't spray in your backyard, what I did was counsel them, get these products here. This is bug spray. This always is bug spray. For me, this is bug spray. That's it. Get it yourself. Put the chemicals down. Put the bug cutter down in your backyard. I have videos on that as well.